So, got here iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12. So, as you can see, it's got Apple's new thin boxes. So these won't come with a charger or earphones. They're just pretty much just a phone and some manuals, SIM ejector tool, and a USB-C to Lightning cable. So we're actually gonna take a look at that right now. Start with the iPhone 12. They're both in blue. Alrighty. Here we've got iPhone 12. So let's set aside here for now. In the box, we've got some Apple from California, manuals, you get one Apple sticker, and of course a SIM ejector tool. Put this back in here. And you get a single Lightning to USB Type-C port. So if you do have a Type-C connector for plug into the wall, then you're good. If you have the usual USB-A, then you're gonna have to buy one that would be for USB Type-C, unfortunately. Now, let's take a look at the phone. Alrighty, let's take this off here. It's pretty nice. Let's power it on. There it is. Alright, so this is the blue iPhone 12. It's got the normal glossy back, matte finish for the camera bump, aluminum edges. This blue looks very nice. They've definitely slimmed down the bezel a lot more for the iPhone 12 series. Still got that notch, but these bezels are a little bit more slimmed down, so that's nice of Apple to do that. Now, let's take a look at the 12 Pro Max. This is also the blue variant. It's a nice, sleek blue box, matte finish. There it is. There is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this is the Pacific blue color. It's a little bit different compared to the 12. We're going to take a look at that later, a little comparison. Yeah, this one has the matte finish on the back, glossy finish on the camera. It's got an extra lens, so on the iPhone 12 here, we've got the main lens and the ultra wide angle lens. On the iPhone 12 Pro Max, we've got the main lens, ultra wide angle, and the telephoto lens, which is up to 2.5x zoom. And of course the LiDAR sensor. This will allow you to take great photos at night, better low light photos, and of course nighttime portrait photos, and of course the AR abilities. Alrighty, let's peel this one off. You guys already know what's in the box here. Same with the iPhone 12. Always super satisfying. Alright, so this is how it looks. Let's power it on. There we go. You do get louder speakers on this one compared to the Pro, because speaker grills on the 12 Pro is the same as the 12. So you get a little bit more speaker ports over here. So it just gives it a little bit more of a bass boost. Nothing too crazy. So if we compare the two, let's turn these off. Pro has the stainless steel edges, goes the aluminum. Back's a little bit different. Definitely a big size difference between these. So this is a 6.1 inch display, same as the iPhone 11 and 10R, but this is actually a smaller form factor, smaller phone than the 11 and 10R, just because of how much they slimmed down the bezels. If you see it in person and compare it to an 11 or 10R, it is actually quite a bit smaller, but it's the same size screen. Apple actually went bigger with the screen this year. This is the biggest screen they've ever made for a smartphone. This is 6.7 inches. So it's only 0.2 inches bigger than the 10s Max and the 11 Pro Max, but it does make quite a bit of difference.